Nomimono, that means drink, related to a drink or any beverage. Drink or any type of beverage. Beverage means liquid, any which we can drink, that type of things. Drink or related to these things, that means beverage. The kanji, this kanji should be used. Here the pronunciation is no. That means we know the nomimas. So nomimas here is no. So this kanji we can use only no. If we use that one, then nomimas. Here so nomimas. This is also nomimas. So this is no, mi, then mas. So nomimas, that means no, mi, mas. Nomimas. This is the meaning of drink. Nomimas, meaning of drink. Nomimas, that means drink. Here this is the nomimas. And nomimono, also beverage. Nomimono, mo, again no. Nomimono is a beverage. Nomimono, this is the meaning of beverage. The nomimono, the English is beverage. So nomimono only we can use. Here is a two no, but only for this one, the first one, we can use this kanji. Here the stroke, first this one, second that one, shorter, then this one, and here is this, and also these, again from top to lower, this one, and this is the biggest one. So this is totally goes no, mi, mo, no. So nomimono, this is the beverage. So we can practice. So nomimono, the beverage. So if you use the one sentence of this kanji here, oishi, oishi mizu o oishi mizu o mizu o nomimashita. So here is used the oishi. Oishi, that means a tasty. Oishi, oishi, oishi mizu, oishi mizu o nomimashita. Nomimashita. Oishi mizu o nomimashita. I drank a tasty water. So oishi mizu o nomimashita. So here the practice of kanji we can practice over there. So first, second, a little, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is again for remembering the order. First, second, a little, third, so this one, so this is the nomimasu, only for use in the drink, for purpose of drink.